Hello everyone, welcome to my channel India Gate. This is Nani Sama, and in this session of the radar subject we talk about the 100 MCQs based on the radar in AKT, which is most important subjects for all branches. So let's get starting. Here first question is asked, radar principle is used in, so radar principle is used in all of above. So option D is correct, and these options are detection of aircraft. Option is second, that is your burglar alarm, and third is garage door opener. So these are the correct answer. Now come to the next question. Multi-cavity klystron, so it is based on the, it is not a good low level amplifier because of noise. So option B is your correct answer, basis of multi cavity. Now come to the next question. A dash has a pencil beam to receive echoes from target. So correct answer for this question is option C, tracking radar. So next question. The beam width required for a satellite antenna for full global coverage is approximately. So correct answer for this question is 18, option C. Next question. The Doppler shift causes by a vehicle moving towards the radar at 96 km per hour if radar operates at 10 gigahertz. So correct answer for this question is given as option B is correct, that is 1.78. How? Here given is V is equal to 96 km per hour and frequency is what? That is frequency F is equal to 10 into 10 to the power of 9 hertz. Okay, and after the putting the value delta F equal to 2V upon lambda, we put all this equation and we get here 1.78 kilohertz. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. For an MTI radar, the first three blind speed at 2 gigahertz when RF is 1 kilohertz. So correct answer for this question is option A, that is 270 km per hour, 540 km per hour, and 810 km per hour. And come to the solution of this question. So solution is given like F is equal to 2 to the power 9 hertz. Okay, and Fr is equal to 1 into 10 to the power 3 hertz. Now we know that lambda is equal to C upon F. Now putting the values we get here, the value is 0.15 meter. Now blinding speed are given as VV is equal to PRF and in braces and lambda by 2. So after the putting all the values we get here option A is your correct. Means if n is equal to 1, then VV is equal to 270 km per hour. If n is equal to 2, then VV is equal to 540 km per hour, and n is equal to 3, then VV is equal to 810 km per hour. Now come to the next question. In our radar system, it is observed that the echo received in after 9.15 microseconds, the distance of the stationary object from the radar is, so distance from stationary object to radar, delta t is equal to given here 9.15 microsecond, and r is equal to, that is equal to c into delta t by 2. So after the putting the all values of the c, that is your speed of the light, which value is 3 into 10 to the power 8. Now putting the all values we get here, correct answer is option A, that is 1.372 kilometer. Now come to the next question. The maximum range of the pulsed radar depend on, it is depend on the pulse speed, pulse peak power. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The microwave tube amplifier that uses an axial magnetic field and radial electronic field is, that is your CFA. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. If the target crossing section keep changing, the best system of tracking is, so best system of tracking is your mono plus. So option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The Instrument landing system ILE uses. This is used for the glide path localizer. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The COHO is MTI radar operate at. This is operate at intermediate frequency. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Frequency in UHF range propagate by mean of. This is propagated by the space wave. So option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The following instrument is used in aeroplane to measure its height above ground. So here option D is correct, that is your radar altimeter. Next question. Type E scope in radar system display. This is display target range alone. So option D is B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Radar beacon are used for. This is used for the all of above. That is your target identification, navigation, and cause significant extension of the maximum ranges. So option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The Doppler effect is used for. Doppler effect is used for pulse radar and MTI. So option D is your correct. Both A and C. Now come to the next question. A solution of the blind space problem is to. This is related to vary the PRF. Okay, option B is your correct answer. Next question. The quad relay line in MTI radar is used to. This is used to subtract a complete scan from previous scan. So option B is your correct answer. Next question. The type of the radar that is used to eliminate a cluster in the navigational application is this. This is your MTI radar. Option C is your correct answer. Next question. In case of the radar receive the if a bandwidth inversely proportional to. This is inversely proportional to the plus width. Option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. After a target has been acquired by radar, the best scanning system for the tracking is. This is your conical. So conical is your correct answer. Option E is your correct. Next is the Doppler shift is given by. Doppler shift is given by delta F equal to VR upon lambda. Okay. Now next question. Blind space cause target appears. This is cause target appear is stationary. As usually we already got this point. Okay. Now next question. Which of the following diode is used for the detector in radar? That is diode is IMPATT diode. Okay. Option C is your correct answer. The microwave tube amplifier that uses an axial magnetic field and radial electric field is. That is your CFA. Option B is your correct answer. Next question. Indicate which one of the following application or advantage of radar becomes false. So false is your more accurate tracking of enemy target. So option D is your false. Next question. LORAN system uses. This is uses for the homing path. Option C is your correct answer. The term radar stands for. This is stands for radio detection and ranging. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. In a radar, in case of the return echo arrive after the allowing plus interval, then prior position identification means option D is your correct answer. Next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Flat top rectangular plus must be transmitter in a radar. So correct incorrect answer and statement is make the returned echo easier to the distinguish from noise. So it is impossible for radar. So option D is your incorrect answer. Now come to the next question. PPI in a radar system stands for. This is stands for plan position indicator. So option A is your correct answer. Next question. Radar detection is limited to line of sight because. This is limited to the because of the curvature of the earth. So option A is your correct answer. Next question, the polarization required in a ground wave propagation is vertical or linear. So option B is your correct answer. Next question, altimeter is basically a CW radar. Okay, option A is your correct answer. Next question, in the case of the ratio of antenna diameter to the wavelength in a radar system is high, this likely not to the result in. So correct answer for this question is option A, increase capture area. Next question, the resolution of a pulsed radar can be improved by. So this is improved by option B is correct, that is increasing pulse width. Next question, the maximum unambiguous range of pulse radar depends upon the pulse repetition rate of the transmitted signal. So option C is your correct answer. Next question, in a one of the following radar, the transmitted beam is steered in angle electrically. So option C is correct, that is your phased array radar. Next question, a radar system, the term race is used connection with. This is used for the Faraday rotation. So Faraday rotation is based on the rate race. Okay, so option B is your correct. Next question, sometimes microwave signal follows the earth curvature. This is due to ducting. Okay, option C is your correct answer. Next question, an idea plus radar receives, this should be receives, have a very large VW, that is your bandwidth. Option A is your correct answer. Next question, in a both sequential lobing and a conical scan tracking techniques of regard, the measurement of angular error in a two orthogonal co-overlapping required that the minimum of. So it's required only one pulse be processed. So option D is your correct. Next question, in antenna measurement using two aperture antenna of diameter D1 and D2, the minimum separation between the two should be in a free space wavelength of the radiation is used. So the minimum distance between the two diameter antenna, that is your D1 square plus D2 square upon lambda. So option C is your correct answer. Next question, fading is a fluctuation in the signal strength to receiver. So option C is your correct answer. Next question, Doppler effect is employed in which of the following? So it is employed in second, third and fourth, that is your the MTI system, FM radar and CW radar. Now come to the next question, which of the following is one of the component of the radar system? So all of these are the component of radar system, that is your transmitter, antenna and receiver. Now come to the next question, the range of the radar can be calculated as, this is calculated as R equal to delta T upon 12.36. Okay, option A is your correct answer. Next question, the range of meter in the calculated by formula. So this is calculated by the C delta T by 2. Option A is your correct answer. Next question, Doppler frequency for a radar. So option B is your correct, that the FT equal to T 2 VT upon lambda. Next question, TRA-PATT diode is preferred over the IMPATT diode because due to of high efficiency. So option A is your correct answer. Next question, operating frequency of the flexible klystron is as high, that is your 10,000 megahertz. So option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next question, dash is unlikely to be used as a pulsed device. So BWO is used as a pulsed device. Next question, consider a radar having the capture area of the receiving antenna A. The maximum range will be proportional to. So this is proportional to the option A, that is under root A. Now come to the next question. The maximum range of the radar depends on the pulse energy. Option B is your correct answer. Next question. In MTI radar, the quad delay line is used to. This is used to the subtract a complete scan from previous scan. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. In a radar, when a return echo arrive after the allocated plus interval, then the target will be appear closer than in really is. So option C is your correct answer. Next question. In a MTI radar, COHO operates at intermediate frequency. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. Let the maximum of the radar be doubled with all the others factors remaining constant. The peak power must be increased. This must be increased 16 volts. So option C is your correct answer. Next question. The trirester equivalent to the trirestron tube is SCR. Option is your correct answer. Next question. The mode in a reflex klystron, so it gives the same frequency but different transmit time. So option A is your correct answer. Next question. Klystron operate on the principle of. This is operate on the velocity modulation. Option D is your correct answer. Next question. The secondary cavity in a two cavity klystron is called. This is called the catcher cavity. Option B is your correct answer. Next question. In TWT, attenuator is put at the beginning. So option A is your correct answer. Next question. In the both sequential lobing and the conical scan tracking technique of the radar, the measurement of the angular error in the two orthogonal coordinates that required at the minimum of. This is minimum of the 4 pulses to be processed. So option C is your correct answer. Next question. To increase the radar range of the ground and surface target to see well beyond the normal radar horizons, the electromagnetic wave propagation adopted is. This is adopted is the TROPS scatter. So option B is your correct answer. TROPS scatter is correct. Next question. The transmit time in a cyclic for a electron in the Repler space of the reflection klystron oscillator for the substantial oscillation is an integer including 0. So correct answer for this question is n plus 3/4. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. Radiation from a helical antenna is circular polarized. So option C is your correct answer. In a microwave radar, pulse repetition frequency is used to resolve range and Doppler ambiguity is used, that is moving target indicator. Option C is your correct answer. Next question. The abbreviation of DME is. So abbreviation of DME is equal to distance measuring equipment. Distance measuring equipment is the correct answer. Next question. In a Cly amplifier, the input cavity is called. This is called the collector. Option D is your correct answer. Multi-cavity klystron is used in. This is used in all. That is a UHF TV transmitter, radio transmitter, and satellite communication. Next question. The abbreviation of LORAN, that is your long range navigation system. So option B is your correct answer. Next question. Radar altimeter is used for determining of plane above ground, that is your determining height. So option B is your correct answer. Next question. Satellite is used to provide communication over a polar region, that is your Molniya satellite. So option C is your correct answer. Next question. VOF stands for. This is stands for Veno Stanch under Firma. So option C is your correct answer. Next question. In a synchronization system with antenna. The detection coil must be rotated to ensure correct. So option A is correct, that is your bearing of target displacement. So option A is correct. Next, let the maximum range of the radar to be doubled with all of the other factor remaining the constant. The peak power must be increased, that is increased 32 volts. So option A is correct. Next, radar displays all of above, that is your A scope, B scope and PPI. Next question, standard mismatch in the microwave circular have SWR form. So here mismatch is standard, that is your 1.2:1 to 2:1, and all of R is right match. Okay, now next question, the readme for the problem of blind space is, that is vibration of the PRE. So option A is your correct answer. Next question, let the cross section of the target is changing in the case of the tracking is generally done by monopulse. So option B is correct. Monopulse is correct answer. Next question, the dash radar transmitted beam to the steering in the angle electrically. So option C is correct, that is phase array radar. Next question, the Doppler shift when they tracking a car moving away from a radar at 100 miles per hour if a radar is operating at 1 gigahertz. So correct answer is for question is option A, 333.34 hertz. Now come to the solution for this question. Here V is equal to 100 mile per hour. Now F is already given, that is 1 gigahertz. Now converting the 1 mil per hour is equal to 0.5 meter per second. Now 100 mil per hour is equal to 100 into 0.5, that is equal to 50 meter per second. So now lambda is equal to C upon F. After the putting all the values, we get here lambda is equal to 0.3 meter per second. Now main point is car is moving away from a radar, therefore theta is equal to 0 degree and cos 0 is equal to 1. Now Doppler effect delta F equal to 2V cos theta upon lambda. After the putting all the values, we get here correct answer is option A, 333.34 hertz. Now come to the next question, the electric field in a TWT due to applied signal is, that is your direct along the helix axis. So option A is your correct answer. Next question, the frequency range of the TWT is, this is 0. gigahertz to 90 gigahertz. Option A is your correct answer. Next question, the efficiency of the TWT is about, this is 5 to 20%. So option D is your correct answer. If a microstrip is enclosed in a metal enclosure, then the radial losses are reduces RL. So option B is your correct answer. Now next question, in a laboratory experiment, the output of the reflex electron is moderate by the square wave because the crystal diode operate in a square law region of IV characteristics. So option B is your correct answer. Next question, the maximum radar of the range when the transmitting power is 250 kilowatt across the section area of the target is 12.5 SQM. Minimum power required is 10 to power minus 30 watt. Receive gain is 200 and operating wavelength is 16 centimeter. Then correct answer for this maximum range of the radar, that is 200.39 kilometer. Option C is your correct. Now putting the all values in the maximum radar, that is PT equal to PT GT power of GT square lambda square S divided by 4 pi of whole cube P min and whole to the power of the 1 by 4. Now after the putting all the values, we get the correct answer is the of the R max, that is 200.39 km. Now next question, a radar operates at 3 GHz radiating power of 200 kW. The power of the reflecting signal at the radar with 220 meter square target at the 300 nautical miles. So here A is equal to 9 meter square is already given. So correct answer for this question is 27.034 into 10 to the power of minus 15 watt. So option A is correct. Now here all the questions this is given the frequency and PT, the value of the PT and S equal to 20, and here R is equal to 3 nanometer. After the putting all the values, we get here lambda is equal to 0.1 meter. Now GT is equal to 4 pi a e divided by lambda square. After the putting all the values, we get here GT equal to 11.3 into 10 to the power 3. Now after putting the value of PR, that is equal to PT AES divided by 4 pi square R to the power of 4. After putting, then we get here correct answer, that is 27.034 into 10 to the power minus 15 watt. Now next question, S-band radar transmitting at the 3 GHz radio to 100 kV watt. The signal power of the density at the range 100 nautical miles if the A is equal to 9 km. So correct answer for this question is 5.24 meter watt per meter square. Okay, so option A is correct. Now come to the next question. The maximum range of the radar which operates at the frequency of 10 GHz peak plus power of 600 kilowatts. If the antenna effectively area is 5 meter square and the area of the target is 20 meter square, the minimum receiver power is 10 to the power minus 13 watt. So correct answer is 717 kilometers. So option B is correct. Now come to the solution. After giving all the data, we put all the values in the Rmax and we get here total value of the Rmax is equal to 717 kilometer. Now next question and last question of this question is, a radar system transmitted pulses of the duration of 2 microseconds and the repetition of the rate of the 1 kilohertz. The maximum and minimum range of for radar are respectively. So correct answer for this question is option B, range max Rmax equal to 500 km to Rmin equal to 300 meter. Now this session is end here. I hope you understand all the questions. If you have any queries, so please comment me. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.